Hi everyone, welcome to this video lecture on the topic of production management. I am Dr. Gopi Krishnan, working as Associate Professor in the Department of Aerospace Engineering. Come, let us start the video lecture. Production management is going to be a very important topic as far as the management concepts are applied in the industries. Production management is defined as planning, implementation, and control of industrial production process to ensure the smooth and efficient operation, which means that for any kind of activity in the industries or in the manufacturing sector, planning of the sequence of operation to be carried out over the components or the raw materials or the work in progress materials is very important, and the implementation of the optimized plan and the control of all the factors involved in the production planning in an industrial production process is always important. It has to be very smooth and it has to be very efficient. Production management techniques are used in both manufacturing and service industries, and the production management is going to be the process of combining all the sources for the efficient planning, organizing, directing, and controlling of the activities of the production function systems. Now we are going to see the difference between the production management and the operation management. Production management is concerned with the manufacturing activities in the sense if the raw material is sent to the production process, it will be converted into the finished product. So the duration between the conversion of raw material into the finished product is called as the manufacturing. So when the manufacturing is considered, then the management of all the resources related to that can be called as the production management. Whereas the operation management is concerned only with the services. So the what are all the extra services needed for improving the efficiency of the particular process or the manufacturing process can be called as the operation management. The output for the production management is always tangible, which means that you can literally touch, feel, and see the output. Whereas for the operation management, since it is concerned with the services, the output is always intangible. You cannot see, you cannot feel by touch the products because it is concerned with only the services. As far as the production management is considered, the job use less labor and more equipment, whereas for the operation management, the concerned job use more labor and less equipment. And also, there is no customer participation for the production management because it is concerned only with the conversion of a material into a finished product, whereas the operation management considers the participation of the customer during the process. Here are the examples for the production. For the manufacturing of custom-made products like boilers with a specific capacity or constructing buildings or the flats, structural fabrication works for the selected customers, they all come under the production process. And also the manufacturing of the standardized products like car, bus, motorcycle, television, they all come under the manufacturing process. Now let us see the definition for the term production. Production is defined as the step-by-step conversion of one form of material into another form through chemical or mechanical process to create or enhance the utility of the product to the user. Ultimately, we create the products to be used by the end customer or the end user. So, for getting the final product in the final geometry or the size of the shape or with the required characteristics or the qualities, we need to convert the material to the final form. The material taken in the first hand has a different form, which is called as the raw material. That is called one form of material, and that has to be converted into the final form through a kind of process, through a sequence of process. We can take the chemical process or the mechanical process for the creation of the final product. And also, the final product has to be created in a higher efficiency, or it has to enhance the utility of the product. So whatever way, when the product is converted from one form to another form, this can be called as the production process. Thus, production is the value addition process. At each stage of processing, there will be the value addition. The production system of an organization is that part which produces products of an organization. It means that when I am running an organization or the industry, I have to make the products. That product must be taken to the end application, which must be very much useful for the user. The product which has the required quality and which is taken in the required quantity for the further processing or for the end application is always required by the end user. So my product, which is produced from the raw material form, must have all the qualities in a precise manner that has to be taken to a complete form. It has to be very much useful for the end customer. So it's all about the activity, that is manufacturing, whereby the resources flowing within a defined system are combined and transformed in a controlled manner to add value in accordance with the policies communicated by the managers. This is all about the introduction about the production management system in an organization. We'll see the rest of the topics in the subsequent video lectures. Stay tuned. Thank you, everyone.